Here's a pair of the Soundcore P20i earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Windows computer, PC, or laptop via Bluetooth. First thing is let's go to the Bluetooth settings on your computer. Okay, so you can go to the search bar here and just type in Bluetooth or Bluetooth and other devices. That's what we want. Let's select on that. Make sure you select on Bluetooth and other devices there, and then make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And now we're going to tap that plus sign, add Bluetooth other device. Let's select that. We're going to select this first one here where it says Bluetooth. Now you see this line, that blue line going across. It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. Okay, so these aren't going to show up until we put these in pairing mode. Let's go ahead and open these case up. Let's go ahead and take these out. You can put these in your ear. If you put this in your ear, you should first hear the turn on chime, like beep. And then if it goes into pairing mode, you'll hear like a beep, 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 beep. Okay, but I can tell you, or if it's in pairing mode, it'll show up on here somewhere. Okay, I can tell you that mine's not going to show up because I'm actually connected to a different phone here. So I'm connected to a Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus here. So let me go to the settings, connections. I'm going to go to Bluetooth. Yeah, and you can see the P20i, it is connected here. So I can turn off Bluetooth or disconnect or remove it from the pairing list. If I do any of those, I'll just turn it off. These should automatically go into pairing mode. Okay, and now we'll go back on here. It's still moving, so it's still searching. Oh, there it is, P20i. Let's select that, it says connecting. The device is ready to go. Click on done right there. And now if we scroll down, you can see that it's connected there and I have 100% battery juice. Now, if you had any kind of problems pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these if you need to do that. Look below in the description area.